No, I just started it when you said that. That's a great start though. Let's roll with it. Where are we?
We're at the Kauai Pharmacy farm.
Awesome.
Is there a Kauai Pharmacy on my back?
Yeah.
There is.
Poppin'.
Kauai Pharmacy, dude. And what is this?
The lotus. Oh, is there a little fish in here?
That is so cool.
Wait, there's a fish?
Yeah.
Actually, it might be blue lily.
Or look at
There is a freaking
That
fish.
is
That
a
is
cutie
so
little
cool.
fish.
There's a little baby
that is
fish.
so cool.
Do you see him?
There's another one in there.
Oh my
Aw, look
gosh.
at you.
I wonder if those are little
Little
frogs.
bug eyes.
Well,
There's more fish. What?
Orange frog.
Cool.
do you guys want to go through
Yeah,
the
let's
garden
go
real
look.
quick? Because that's where we used to live over there. And this was the reason why we're having this video, or at least we're making a video of the place where they first came 3 years ago.
And what's crazy is that when we were here, very last time,
Wow, what's that? That's huge.
The very last time what?
it was just this fence.
I think it's a lilikoi, a certain type.
No.
Yeah,
A lilikoi. Are you
some type.
serious?
That's my first guess.
It feels more like cucumbery.
Maybe it's like a squash.
This is the one you like, Katya. All these. This is the tulsi in the spray, right there. Right, and you can take a few of these.
So delicious.
A couple of the flowers. Smell that.
Oh, that's heavenly.
Yeah, oh my gosh. Perfume.
Wow, dude.
It really expanded a lot.
Isn't that awesome, dude? We've been a big part of that, kiddo.
That is so cool.
That's why we want to continue to show this awesomeness to everyone.
Yeah, it's crazy that you lived here. 'Cause now it's like an awesome.
Try this.
Eat it?
It's like a little, I just smell it. It's like a little
Oh.
cinnamon
Favorite, right, babe?
thing. I think this is cinnamon.
Is it?
This is my favorite, yeah.
I don't know.
Cranberry hibiscus. If I take one bite, I'm addicted. What up, bruh?
So good.
The whole island is one big family. Take a bite, man. You'll get addicted. You know what I'm saying?
love that.
Like, I
Like
can't
clover,
stop.
wow.
This one's so good.
Doug and Jen are like, you're trying to mow down our whole lawn out here? I'm like, I just can't stop when I take a bite. How did you like it, Tay?
It's delicious. It tastes like there's these clovers in Washington that taste like lemon.
Yeah.
You know, and I've never been able to find them since I was really young. But
Oh,
you
those.
know what I'm talking
Yeah,
about? Yeah.
oxalis.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's. I guess that was good enough tour of the garden. We'll just keep moving. I'm not gonna bother anyone at work today, but this isn't it gotten just super dialed in?
I'm like shocked. It's like a different place.
And then look at all this though, the whole growth that goes out over that way a lot too. And it's all so nicely maintained. And here's a nice patch of mint. Look at that gorgeous mint down in that little rift.
Wow, what kind of mint?
Or you know what, that might even be, no, this is, yeah, lemon balm or lemon balm, yeah. Wow, it's yummy.
Okay.
Everybody freaked out. Here's the tea tree. This is the tea tree.
This is a tea tree?
Yeah, this is how they get the tea tree spray.
Yeah.
You put all that into a nice thing and get all the essential
Wow.
oils out, spray it on your face. Heaven.
What? This is crazy.
Smell good?
Do you know what these
It's
little
like-
guys are?
I
Really?
don't. You guys want to see the stevia
Yeah.
or the
Yes,
sweetener?
Please.
Oh, we're trying to.
Dad, we've got to get Lynn. Just Lynn.
Started to rain. I don't think we. Look at all this now. This whole thing back here. Oh, I was going to show you the stevia, but it's gotten all nice. That's all turmeric back there, more tulsi. Look at, here's the chaste. This is the women's wellness one. Yeah. See the bees? This is the women's wellness main ingredient,
Wow.
and the bees know it too.
Gosh, that is beautiful. It smells beautiful. It like literally smells so good.
It smells just like the women's wellness tea. It really does.
Here's the let me show you this. Oh, here, I don't know if this is it or not.
What is it?
It was a bigger patch, but that is in fact stevia.
Really?
There used to be a much larger
Sweet?
patch,
Oh.
and I don't know what happened. Maybe they moved it somewhere.
Oh, it's so
Whoa.
sweet.
Isn't
Wow.
that just glorious?
Wow.
That's life.
That's so amazing.
And here's a little bit of mint too. A lot of bit of mint. That's a whole
Oh my god.
forest of mint.
That is
Now
Wow.
we can make a
Stevia
lemon ginger
together.
blast up in here.
Ooh, together.
Wow.
Wow.
That's like the best gum.
That's like mint tea.
The best breath mint.
Yeah. Ooh.
Let's go look at
So
some.
good.
Let's go up to the tea house and look at all that over there. Look at the papayas, Taya. Let's go over there and look. So all these, Katya, are like all these are the different tulsis, and then they mix them, and sometimes they leave them individual. There's a giant compost. That's really, really awesome right there.
That's so cool.
Look at these, how tended these grounds are. This is the sugar cane.
Wow.
Yeah, no kidding. That is a very good system. Our other one was huge. Aloha. Look at this. Look at all this mint and all this gotu cola. Next level, dude. I want this mint.
These little ginkgo things.
Those are gotu cola for the brain,
Wow.
and useful in many ways. There's a lot of ways to use it. It doesn't taste the best, but I will put a little bit on a salad sometimes. I mean, I ain't afraid. I mean, that's what I'm saying. Like, I can put this stuff away, but
What do you think, Taya?
It's kind of like citrusy.
Really? Thank you.
I mean, it is 100% viable
Wow, I love that.
food.
Actually.
source for your teeth.
That's epic.
I'm gonna have another one of those.
Wow.
I like the little tiniest ones.
I'm gonna do another one too.
Do they just eat their papayas, or they, like they don't sell them
yeah,
at the market,
they
right?
they don't really put them in anything. They use the leaves in certain formulas.
Cool.
So yeah, there's the bees over there,
Epic.
and they're getting more and better at it. And then there's some fruit trees over there. And there's a papaya over there getting ripe. You see that one?
Yeah.
Awesome, huh? Is there a house? Yeah. Yeah. This is looks like ashwagandha.
Huh. They give it so much room.
Well, that's because they grow up real nice and big.
Oh.
Yeah, that's awesome. There's another chili plant over there. See that one? The Hawaiian chili? And that there is a patch.
What's up?
Hi, Jenna.
How's it going?
Did I get your okay to be on video? Hello.
Hi. Aloha.
I'm keeping everyone on chill, just
Yeah, it's
mostly
coconut
like
with endurance park.
Hi, welcome. How are you?
no one wants to have a camera slammed in their face, so you gotta just chill, you know. I actually helped build this aloe plant garden. I put some of these logs around here, so I think that big one, as a matter of fact. Some of these other ones.
Help with anything?
Do I need help?
Yeah, do you need help navigating? You're good?
Oh no, I think we're just kind of doing a quick little thing. We're gonna visit the wagon
Sweet.
and spoil the princesses before they go.
Right on. Well, let me know if I can help you guys.
And then we're gonna make a little video about everything's good on the farm.
Everything's awesome.
Obviously, I
Lots
think
of
they
rain,
can see
lots of sun.
from the video here
Yeah, it's
how
been pretty
beautiful
good.
everything is.
Team's grooving. I don't know if you say they're planting in the back right now. Some fresh trees and
What is
mini
it?
trees. You want to go see?
I guess so. This video just got a little longer.
Oh, have you been? Good to see you.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, good. We're gonna go visit Ben, and then we gotta take. We're kind of on a beeline to the next ballet class, or no, belly dance.
I was gonna say chicken ballet.
Not me.
Fantastic.
You know what they're planting, or are they gonna be a surprise?
Surprise! They're planting stuff all day. I'm hoping it's a noni, but I don't know.
Oh,
I see some amla. I don't know what's going on back here, but hey guys.
Hey, what's up, Jenna?
Is everyone
Everyone okay on
cool?
camera?
Sam's visiting. That means
is this okay?
that means hundreds of thousands of people are visiting.
Excellent. Welcome.
We
What's
were
happening?
just checking out to see what you guys were up to.
Yeah.
We're
Looks like
planting
there's an
amla.
amla.
Amla trees today. It's her
There she
day.
is.
Coming up with the full moon here.
What comes off of there?
The leaves. Yeah. And the berries.
Indian berry, and it's one of the highest forms of vitamin C that you can get.
Yeah. It's a top Ayurvedic herb. Like one of the three, the main three. Like Tulsi.
Is it good for the formulas, the tea formulas, or what's the use?
I believe it would be. We don't have enough to harvest right now and to put into a concoction. Yeah. But her presence is epic.
We're about 4 years out.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Future medicine.
Yeah.
That is
Seeing it
awesome.
first here.
Yeah. Totally.
She's good for tea, she's good for hair, she's good for skin.
Well, my friends, myself and the entire world is grateful for what you do with your hands.
Yeah.
For if you did not, we would all be very hungry. God bless you guys. Thanks.
Bless
Bless
you.
you down.
Thanks, Jenna.
Thank you for sharing.
Let's go make the one big happy family video is what we're doing today. I was like, you guys just act like we're healthy and balanced.
Here's
Act like we're a
mature
happy
amla.
family.
You want to go take a seat?
Oh,
You just saw it as an infant. It's about to be planted, but just nearby over here we have the
this is it.
no, they're way bigger than this. So
Awesome.
give you a little idea.
Is this the amla?
That's the same plant that they're planting over there. Yep.
cool.
Here's the comfrey, the big old comfrey circle. Frog alert, frog alert. The farm is full of life. Hello, little cutie.
Whoa. He's so big and unafraid. He's just chilling. What a cutie. He has like a little tail.
Still got his tail?
Yeah.
Ooh, he never got rid of his tadpole back.
That's weird.
Cool. Do you guys want to get a couple of the teas and stuff?
Okay, don't scare him. We gotta go.
I don't think he's too scared. He's just like, get away from me.
Smell that. That's the Cape Fear lime. That's in the curry blend. And
Which one? That one?
yeah.
Oh.
That's not the
Cape
only
Fear
one,
lime.
is it?
No.
Oh, there's several of
These
those.
are younger. These were all planted like
Smells like
next
that Thai
generation. And we
is
keep
what's
planting
used in Thai
further and
soup.
further out into the back pasture. So you're seeing the next generation go in right now. That's what
Awesome.
the team's doing back there. So yeah, they're, like you can see here, the old ashwagandha. Or I should say old, the mature ashwagandha
Oh, yeah.
patches right here. And then we have some keiki that just went in, some infant.
So, Citea, that's what those end up like.
I see. So they do
Right,
get
left.
really big.
Wow.
Katya identified this as what goes in like our favorite Thai soup.
Oh, yeah. What is the
Kaffir
name of
lime.
that?
Oh,
Kaffir lime.
Oh, really?
Lime leaf.
Yeah, so that one's like really good for like skin, hair health, like.
So delicious.
So this is the ashwagandha berry. And if I'm like to open this up for you, can you see that? Can you get that down? See all those seeds?
Yeah.
That's the next crop. So what will happen is sometimes these will just like end up falling and then they'll plant themselves like nature intended, and then they'll become the next ashwagandha volunteers, and then we'll have to give them some breath, give them some room. So here we're planting them out like 4 feet. This time we're giving them an extra expansion, and we went way big, double digging the soil. The soil is like, we dug it, and then we dug it again, and so.
Oh, awesome.
Dan, can you dig it?
I can dig it.
Just kidding.
Double dig, baby. Double
Double
dig.
dig.
Oh, it's a new thing.
And this it allows the root to grow larger and get more expansive, and that's where the medicine is. It's in the root. So yeah, isn't that cool? So if I was to just like seed, you never know what's gonna come up because it's super fertile soil here and the ecosystem's insane. So yeah, so these were all transplants and grown from seed. Everything's grown from seed. These were all transplants originally. They volunteered themselves in the production garden, and we gave them their own little space. And then these were offshoots from a seed like what I just showed you. So pretty amazing. And
That's amazing.
there's some moringa starts in there too, and so they'll have a nice little happy canopy and some helper plants in there that'll help with nitrogen fixing and just making sure their soil is really super saturated with nutrients. But yeah, ashwagandha.
Pick up on all that?
Those roots are gonna be like
Yeah, well, here it is.
4 feet breadth,
Huge.
and we went like 4
It's gonna
feet
be an
deep.
ashwagandha forest.
Super loose soil.
We're going to pick up some tranquility. Oh, made up fresh. Sweet.
Well, I was just coming to say hello. I know you're gonna be in good hands with that. And,
Thanks,
I
Jenna.
gotta take off.
We
Yes,
got some
enjoy lunch. Yeah, good to see you always.
tranquility action and a little family video, but I wanted to
Enjoy the tea.
I wanted you guys to pick up a couple things to take back with you on the to take back with you so you can stay on track till you come back the next time.
Cool. I'm gonna have to take a minute to think about it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I have some more up there for you. I'll bring them down.
Your time if you want to
Pick out anything you want,
smell
Katya.
any of the teas here. We can
Oh,
open
yes.
these samples up.
I definitely would love to smell all of them.
And get the tranquility there on the table if you want to try something.
What do you think about that one?
It smells really.
Natea, here's the purity.
Oh. Oh, that definitely smells. Is this one you're gonna get?
Why don't you guys pick up a couple things and then we'll go enjoy our tea.
Okay. Oh, what is this?
That's the endurance powder.
I think you guys were over by the ashwagandha patch earlier.
Yeah.
Got the ashwagandha root in there, as well as a couple of other really vitality enriching ingredients.
It's okay to be on camera?
Yeah.
Awesome, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Going out to the world so everyone just stays chill and sees some cool stuff.
Important.
Because this is cool stuff. This is
What are all of these?
These are all the
What is this
tinctures.
for? What do you?
glad to be
So you
involved.
can take like half a dropper under the tongue. Each of the tinctures have different benefits. The lilikoi is a really nice one. That's like has nervine benefits. It's relaxing. It's a really tasty one to.
That's the purity. Yeah.
I think I might do that one.
That's the
if
one
it's
that's
like,
it's the one that's the strongest
mhm.
with the least amount of like aromatic type and more medicinal bitter type. And you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
But still yet, man, if I was on the mainland, I'd probably order me some purity for sure.
Right.
And I would use distilled water and use it as medicine.
I think I'm gonna do the purity because we have a big thing in the women's wellness still. Like.
Well, I want you guys to get a couple things for yourselves to take home. That's Dakota's stash
Okay.
of the women's wellness.
Oh no
and-
at our house. Like,
Oh, you still have some?
Yeah.
Dope. Well, that's
Yeah.
how we roll with abundance, baby.
I feel like.
You know what though? I think you should get another women's wellness
Okay.
and purity.
Okay. I'll do those.
Anything you guys want, man.
Okay. I'll do those.
Awesome.
Do you guys want the 2 ounce size, like the rectangle jars, or
I think the circles are those the circles are the 1 ounce.
they're the 1 ounce? Yeah.
Yeah, let's do 1 ounce.
Sure.
A couple of those, just because for size.
Yeah. Transportation wise.
Yeah. Awesome,
On purity.
dude. That is so good.
One of these guys.
Lilikoi? Nice. Yummy.
Awesome. Oh, you're going for it?
Yeah.
Sweet, dude. Pick out a tea also, or
Anxiety.
I bet you could get a couple of those if you want.
That's
Your little
Or
the
do we have this
sprays.
still, sis, or we're out of this one, huh? You know what? We still have some.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
You guys can go crazy.
How much?
I will get right with Doug.
We have
You
plenty.
guys can get whatever you want here. I'm serious, dude.
Okay.
I'll just spend my whole
Green energy.
commission on these things so you guys can just princess up right now. What is that?
I already was princessed up, but
It's the green
Just
energy.
Green energy?
Yeah.
Well, we know you was a princess up. Because you are the #1 princess. There's the queen with her beautiful smile. And another awesome
how are you
being.
gonna eat this, sis?
We leave the labels off of
Really,
her.
my
like,
tea.
you make smoothies as well?
Mhm.
Yeah.
She's the everything girl. Anything she wants to be. Right?
Yeah.
You're not sure yet, so you're keeping your
Or
options
salads
open.
Yeah.
So you're keeping the
Yeah.
space.
Exactly.
Whoa, I'm over here on these guys. Well, I'm talking to you.
Which
You guys are stars in this video.
Okay. So women's wellness, obviously for supporting the female organs. It's suitable for women across like all different stages of life. It's got the yarrow in there, which is a big women's supportive herb. The raspberry leaf as well, which we do in a tincture. So that's good for. Good
I
for
would
women.
highly recommend the women's wellness
do we
to
have
you.
some women's wellness at home still?
But I would like
Fair
you
amount.
to have more,
Okay.
and I would like you to drink it. Make it for her,
Okay.
and make her drink it. You know, put some honey in it or whatever the hell.
Okay.
The wellness tea is like
This is a good detoxifier.
Mm-hmm.
What's this one?
Vitality. That's a good like daily drinking tea, all round tea. It's got
Delicious.
Well, you
it's
guys
got the
could
go-to
share
cola
them.
in there, which is really
too?
good for brain
Yeah.
function.
You have
Yeah, we should
purity and women's wellness. Maybe tranquility love.
Ooh,
Tranquility.
tranquility for sure.
Which one's
That'll keep you
tranquility?
chill. That we have.
I mean, you need these teas, you guys. If you're on the mainland,
Tranquility milk.
and you're
It's
living
It's
without
good for
Kauai Pharmacy
anxiety,
teas,
Good sleep aid.
That with the Lilac tincture is going to be a great combo for you.
Have a good
The
drink.
endurance sounds cool.
Yes, me too.
What is the Comfrey cast?
I'm
Comfrey
feeling this for
cast,
my
that
eyes.
is so you apply the powder
It's good for
with water.
Yeah, I would grab one of
any,
those.
Like if you have like a break or a sprain, so it's for bones
I
and
see.
muscles. As opposed to the salve, which is also really good, which is more you apply it like
Right.
like a cream
Right.
type thing for sore
Cool.
muscles and things. So
What is that? I really honestly want another one
Just
of
the
these.
pure
Like these are
Tulsi.
really like something
Yeah.
I can do every day and I don't forget.
Yeah.
Like with
Totally.
teas, like I don't have
Just
time.
Tulsi.
I'm so
You're
busy.
so
Yeah.
busy, and
Whereas
it's
like
like
Tulsi's
this
an
is
old
just
tea.
yeah,
as
this
a
is
base.
so
morning,
like
it's
that's why I
It's
like
just strictly Tulsi,
for
which is really
my-
nice to drink.
Yeah.
yeah, you could even drop that on your skin, on your wrist. Why don't you? Which one do you have, Katya?
this one's a
Oh, put me on the one for the
raspberry leaf.
put the
extract.
butterfly pea on my thing. That's the relaxer.
Oh, I want some. too.
It is?
Yeah, one of them.
Oh.
And then I'll just let that kind of soak in.
Thank you.
And there's all kinds of really good. Oh, the lilikoi is
Balances hormones. I like that.
exceptional as well.
Yeah, that's good.
I'll get the chasteberry too.
Oh yes,
That's perfect.
smart move, dude.
Because then if you don't have time to make women's wellness,
That is
you can
so
just
cool.
make it.
And then you
Yeah,
should
that's
take a few
perfect.
drops of that too.
Okay.
The chase tree, just in your water or tea or your juice,
Cool.
and get that plant consciousness into your body.
Okay. Love, 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 love.
Good morning.
Baby Balm.
Moving you guys this way.
Yeah, why don't you guys just grab a few really good things, and then I'll just
What's the Tulsi
we'll-
share for?
The Tulsi. The
Yeah, if you
shaft
wanna-
is down the back there. So.
I'll
keep
put the
track of
lime
all that.
green lime tea.
Hey, Ben, what time is it?
It is 12:14.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
perfect timing,
Great
right?
timing. Yeah,
We're off
and
to
drink
the
our
belly
tea and head
dancing
out.
next.
Yay.
Oh wow.
Do we have Tulsi?
What else we got in there?
Well, we don't need it.
Oh, and we were gonna sit down for 5 minutes and have our little happy family video. I'll keep going with
Did you
this
get
for
the
right now.
Oh, this one's no, I didn't get the other.
This got to be a little slow,
the
but
chase
still entertaining,
Yes.
right? And hopefully education.
Yeah.
you've got a tranquility tea there as well. Oh, the purity.
Thank you, Ben.
Oh, you're welcome.
Just get a total for me, Ben, would you?
So we've got the butterfly pea, low color, the green, the woman's wellness, the purity. Anything else you guys got?
The chasteberry.
The chase. I gotta check down the back if we've got that one. Really quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, and I'll go double check if we've got the chassis on the back for you guys.
Okay, and you know what? Is there any of this?
We got the. Is that the Tulsi?
Yeah. Or is that
I
the?
think that's the one we've got right now.
Is that the last one?
Yeah. You wanna?
Can I get
scroll
that?
down?
Yeah. Oh, dude, I want you to have this, Katya,
Bet, thank you.
because this is the one that you like the way that smells. That it's a good energy.
What is it left?
The Tulsi, plain Tulsi.
Yeah.
She's used up my whole bottle of the
Of the hydrosol?
hydrosol. Did you get a hydrosol?
What?
Well, let's do our little happy family video here, and
Having this whole thing for the Happy Family video?
you guys are.
Archie, you should come be on here too.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just set this thing up.